Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sadhna and Wisdom. Today I have one important and interesting topic for discussing with you, and you can get an idea from my videos. Okay, and first of all, I hope you all are well and learning this language in a great way. Okay, let's talk on the topic. Friends, many learner and beginner, they have doubt how they can think in English, how they can train their mind to think in English. I think you have also watched many videos related to this topic. Then friends, today I am going to tell you how I used to do practice in my initial day and how I train my mind to think in English. Okay, this is very interesting topics and most important topic for learner, for beginners. Okay, and अगर आप सच में सोच रहे हैं कि हाउ यू कैन ट्रेन योर माइंड टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश, देन stay with me till the end because I am going to tell you very simple way you can easily understand. Okay friends, अगर आप सच में सीखना चाहते हैं ना कि कैसे ट्रेन करें अपने दिमाग को, अपने माइंड को, अपने ब्रेन को, डोंट प्रेशराइज योर सेल्फ बिकॉज if you want to think in English, for that you should have vocab. First of all, without vocab, how you can? And second, you should have an idea how to make, how to construct sentences. Okay, if you have two things, then easily you can train your mind to think in English, right? And whatever things you have surrounds you. Okay, if you are at home, in college, you are going somewhere by bus, by train, whatever, then try to speak those words, those sentences, okay, in English. Try to explain, try to speak very small sentences, in this way. You know what I was doing in my initial day? I never tried to translate Hindi to English. I never did. I was doing mistakes. Yes, I was doing mistake while conversation, while talking with others. Lots of mistakes I was doing. But I didn't translate Hindi to English in my initial days. Okay, you can do same things. Don't think about mistakes. Okay, you will do mistakes. Okay, I am going to ask to you, you don't do mistake while conversation, while talking with others, like when it comes to translate Hindi to English, then sometimes we think in English and then we try to translate, then in this way we take time, much time, and sometimes we got confused, and between this we do mistakes. Then don't do. And also we nervously fear, I'm making right or not this sentence. Then instead of doing these things, you can do same another activities. Talk directly without translating. Yes, friends, I was doing same things. And for that, you just need to speak English and try to listen. Okay, first try to listen content, one content, two content, two, three times, and make your mind habitual. Make your tongue to speak habitual. For speaking habitual, and in this way you can learn. In this way you can correct your mistakes. Okay, and second things, try to talk with others. You know, if you have any friends, then talk with them. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes conversation. But talk directly and don't think about mistakes. I was doing mistakes, but I was talking over the app. You know, I have no any friends for talking in English. I used to do practice, still I do practice. There are many apps available. You can just simply install and you can use. And there is no one is going to judge you, no one is going to tell you why you are doing mistakes. Even sometimes we get good people and they correct us. And don't think much. Go and talk from now, from today. Okay? I'm as your friends and don't think I'm going to waste your times. No, because I know time is very valuable and important for you. So don't think. And second, passionate about this language. Be consistent and be patient. And do practice every day. Definitely you will see change. And you know already, this is lifelong journey with knowledge. And don't be in hurry, okay? Learn slowly but in a right way. My dear friends, when I started my journey, there was no one with me who can guide me. Even I just started my journey alone, and I got some friends and they talked with me just 1 month, 15 days in this way. I okay. But now there are many apps, then no worry about it. You can talk also and do practice. Don't take this language very seriously. And if you liked my video, then subscribe and share with your friends because it will keep me motivated for making next videos. Until then, take care of your family and you too. I will meet you soon.